Hey guys, my name is Nurmi and this is Red Luna Journal. Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new and you haven't seen this fades before, make sure to subscribe to my channel, a thumbs up this video if you want to see more videos like this, and also follow me on my Instagram, which is just at Red Luna Journal. So today I am doing a little Valentine's Day look for you guys, makeup and outfit. This is the finished makeup. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, make sure to watch till the end of the video. Let's go. So I already have moisturizer on, so make sure you do that. It is winter, so you want to be moisturized, obviously. I am going to take my foundation. If you guys have like a concealer, foundation, eye primer, whatever you have, just put a little bit over your eyes to start with a fresh base for your eyeshadow. So I'm going to do that right now. And then after that's done, just take any powder. So I'm gonna take my Youngblood Mineral Rice Setting Powder in the shade Dark, and it's a very light powder. So I'm just gonna take that over my layer of foundation just so I can blend it out. I have my eyeshadow palette here with me. I've talked about this before. It's the Impressed You palette by Beauty Glazed. I have no idea what it is. It's from Amazon. It was like $11. It's a great eyeshadow palette. It comes with all these shades, so it has a huge variety and range. I'm gonna do my transition shade first, like I always do. So for the transition shade, I just take these two shades and kind of mix them together and just put them in my crease. Just take any shade that matches your crease color. After blending that crease color for about 10 years, I'm gonna take my lid shade. So I'm gonna take this one, it's like a rosier pink, I guess. So after I'm done with the lid, I'm gonna go back into those transition shades and do that back in the crease to blend it out well. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with a dark brown. I'm gonna go in with these two, mix them together, and put it on the outer corner to create some depth. So for the inner corner, I'm gonna take this blush colored shade. So next I'm gonna take this red shade and start on my lower lash line. So with an angled brush, I'm gonna take that red shade and put it on the outer part of the lower lash line. And I think what I'm gonna do is also flick it on the upper lash line and see how that works, so I can do a little like red smoky liner. And then on the inner corner of the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with that pink shade we put on the lid. So for the face, I am gonna put on that same foundation. So next I'm gonna take that same Youngblood Mineral Rice Setting Powder in the shade Dark and put that all over my face. Next I'm gonna do blush. So this is the Youngblood blush in the shade Blossom. Next we're gonna do a highlighter, the most important step. So I take this Youngblood highlighter in the shade Splendor, and it's their Mineral Radiance. So it's like a quad. I'm gonna take this shade because this one is like too white on me, it's too frosty. So I'm gonna take this shade and highlight my face with that. Next, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So I take this Brow Stylist Definer from L'Oreal, and it's in the shade Dark Brunette. This is the eyebrow pencil I always use. So I'll use a little spoolie and kind of brush through them first so I can see the sparse areas. So after I fill in my brows, I'm gonna take the Great Lash by Maybelline brow gel, and I'm just gonna brush that through my brows. Now I'm gonna do eyeliner. I'm not gonna do liner on the top because I already did that like red smoky eyeliner. So I'm gonna just take this L'Oreal Voluminous smoldering eyeliner in the shade Brown and line my waterline and tightline as well. And then last but not least, I'm gonna take my, actually not last, I still have to do lips, but I'm gonna take my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara and coat my bottom and top lashes as well. Okay, so for the lips, instead of a red lip, I am gonna go for a more mauve-y lip. So I'm gonna take this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Budapest. Alright, this is the finished makeup look, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit as well. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, so let's go to that clip right now. So I brought the camera down a little bit for you guys so you guys can see the bottom of these jeans. So they are a little bit frayed towards the end, and it's just kind of like a straight fit, if you can tell. That's pretty much how the jeans are. They end at about mid-calf. And yeah, so those are the jeans. So for my top, I'm wearing this cream light pink colored lace crop top. Alright, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this Valentine's Day look. If you guys recreate this, make sure to take some photos and send it to me. DM them to my Instagram or tag me in your photos as well. Once again, my Instagram is @RedLunaJournal. And don't forget to subscribe again to my channel, and also thumbs up this video if you guys want to see more videos like this. I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!